of Amari. The grammar of Amari actually they use in hiragana as you see here. And the Amari meaning is had meaning so much that, so much that something. So you can say so much something that. So how to use the grammar of Amari? In Japanese, when you use the grammar of Amari, before you should use the verb, the first in the dictionary form, and the second is casual or past tense form. And if you use noun with Amari, you should put no in between the noun and Amari as you see here. So you have to remember when you use the grammar of Amari, it has three patterns. First is verb in dictionary form, and the second is casual or past tense, and the third is noun. When you use noun with Amari, you should put no between the noun and the Amari. So let's go to see some example of how to use the grammar of Amari. 嬉しさのあまり、彼女は涙を流しました。嬉しさのあまり、彼女は涙を流しました。Which means she was so happy that she cried. She was so happy that she cried. An example. 父は娘を心配するあまり倒れてしまった。父は娘を心配するあまり倒れてしまった。Which means the father was so overcome with worry for his daughter that he collapsed. The father was so overcome with worry for his daughter that he collapsed. You will see that for the first sentence, when they use the Amari, when they use the adjective ureshisa, if you use ureshisa, that means if you just say ureshi, that means happy and is the adjective, but you put sa, it means noun. So between noun and Amari should put the no between. So you will see that ureshisa no Amari. And for the second sentence, you will see shinpai suru amari. So when you use the word shinpai, that when you use the amari should by dictionary form, which means suru, shinpai suru amari. The next example, しばらくは心配のあまり眠れない夜が続きました。しばらくは心配のあまり眠れない夜が続きました。Which means I was so worried and unable to sleep for a while. I was so worried and unable to sleep for a while. The next example, 喜びのあまり万歳と叫びたい思いだった。喜びのあまり万歳と叫びたい思いだった。Which means I was so happy I want to scream with joy. I was so happy